Hi, so I'm currently trying to control this radio, this one here, the FTX-1, with my computer. And there are a lot of applications already written for that, like WinLink and these different type of modems and stuff. But I wanted to test something myself, so I write something in Python, something very simple. So it's the first time I did it actually. This radio is with a white USB cable connected to USB on there, but there's a USB to serial converter there, so you can command this thing with serial, like in PuTTY or Telnet stuff. And I write this little Python code that opens a serial port, currently on COM5, and there's the baud rate. And I put up some settings, and these settings are just from this manual, from this operation reference manual for the, is this the thing? Yes, the computer aided transceiver manual, and all these command codes are just in there, so you can look them up and you can use them. So I did that in the, where's my mouse? I did them in this Python thing. So what I did is, if it's in the memory mode, like for example, go memory, like on APRS and memory mode, it first goes out of memory mode, and then it sets the VFO to some frequency I think is nice to use. I put it on some emergency frequency, but there is no emergency situation, so I can use it for free. And then some other settings to put it to FM narrow, and then TX, but I need to TX some sound, so I also put the sine player here, and that's over here. This wonderful piece of code that actually uses a sound device API from my computer. It selects a sound device, because since I connect this thing via USB, it not only uses creates a UART ports, also creates an external sound device, like speakers and a microphone. So if I select that one, and it happens to be number 5 there, it actually puts audio output towards the radio. So if I put audio output towards the radio while it's transmitting, I can send a sine wave. So this is actually the basic thing. So this is a test. So I have, to the test here, I have this UFH radio. I put it there, no squelch, you get a static. And if I now press on play here, then it runs the code and it's supposed to send a sine wave. So zoom out. And there we go. And there's a sine wave. And you can hear it on this radio. Oh, really annoying. So let's stop that, because it's annoying for the band also. And now it stops. And it's back there on VFO. So this is actually a nice proof of concept, so it works. So now I can make my own piece of software that can use like signals, maybe DTMF or some kind of quadrature stuff, maybe, and send it over to the waves. And the other part is to make a reception also, and then interpret it, so you can make some kind of modem, like the Vara FM or these packet modem things. But yeah, it's nice to tweak around with. So yeah, this was Papa Alpha 0 Juliet Charlie X-ray out.